white label absolutely free. You know about the white label and stuff that we
Oh,
also offer?
no,
Okay. You know what a white label is?
no,
Do you know what GoHighLevel is?
nope.
Okay, this is a good fresh start. So, GoHighLevel is a software that basically made it so you pay them $500 a month and you can create your own nice little business off of their software, right?
Mm.
So prior to GoHighLevel, I was trying to build my own thing. But because of GoHighLevel, I saved all that money and I was able to basically offer a business immediately and a solution immediately without really having anything other than the data that I was skip tracing, mining. I was doing all myself, but the data parsing, the data science part. So we decided to build the similar business model where this system here is a white label. And it's more so like a 5-dimensional white label because as a white labeler, you can white label people's white label. So someone may have a grand idea of taking PPP loans and skip tracing it to the person's personal business contact, their cell phone and email, and they may want to relicense that as a white label to other people to then buy, sell, and trade. And then how happens under your own domain.
Got
So, for instance, Roger's domain is white label app.wlleads.com for whitelabelleads.com.
So here we are. We are in Roger's white label. There are a few things missing. And the main thing you'll realize is a CRM for the leads that you generate, like here. But that'll be taken care of in a couple of days. So right now we got a pretty messed up looking website here, right? So we already white labeled it, and I'm not going to go through that again because there's some videos I did here. So white label dashboard's already white labeled. So there's various things we can do in here, but I'm going to start right with the building of a website. So dynamic, we can call it WL Leads LLC. Roger, you'll have to figure out a phone number in there that people can reach you at. Any comic logo that says I am a logo. So while it's doing that, we'll go get our logo made. Now, we have two different dashboards, and we're setting it up where anyone can develop new dashboards. So I call this the Advanced Fidelity Dashboard. And here you have your basic one if you want to keep your clients in a very tight niche box to simplify your life, maybe. So we got our logo now. Moving on up in life. All right, so what comes next? Well, dashboard doesn't really make sense being I can't see. So let's go off and take a look at the colors. What makes you feel like they care about me? What type of colors? What color do you want, Roger? What do you want?
You could do like a little bluish color.
That's what dark blue looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sexy. Okay.
Dark blue looks good.
It's clean. Well, we'll go a little bit off gray, right? So let's see what we got going here. Okay.
It's not too bad. That looks good.
Yeah, I mean, which one do you want to change a little bit? The primary or the secondary?
Maybe the secondary just a little bit. That looks good.
You'll remember that brand without a doubt. So obviously here we have social media links. I don't think you have that set up yet.
No, not yet.
We also have FAQs. So if we were to go refresh our website, well, I will have to change some of these colors a bit. I don't think this is really the best, but we'll work on that another day.
Okay.
So now our website, I'll post this right here just because it might be a little easier and visible. So we'll hit save. Let's go. We just made it pretty.
Yes, I like it.
It's very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And if we go take a look at Datatoleads, it is entirely different.
Mm-hmm.
There is absolutely no similarity with these two. So this is a white label, and this is the standard text. This is how it comes. And basically the colors that you control would end up controlling these details. So possibly we can offer this custom service as an upsell. I'm not sure yet, we'll see. But let's go keep going off and doing this. So why Avocadata? Well, let's go, we'll go see what happens. It's an experiment. That's how all of development is, experimenting. So let's go take a little refresh. So obviously it's not formatted right for the page. So what are we going to do now? Well, ChatGPT is free.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, it's really smart. I don't know if that's a good thing. It's probably not, but that's the way it is. I messed up bad. Can you fix this, please? And I'm going to take my screenshot. And I didn't know I'd do any of this. I went to India in 2019, 2019 for a company, but I didn't know any coding. I knew project management, and really only after, I mean, I was always trying to teach myself coding because it was like, okay, save some money. It doesn't know what issue I encountered.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're special, man. You're special. Like, how do you not see the problem? You are not being smart. It's such a shit. Okay, so now it basically found the problem, right? Now you just have to direct it. Can you, one, redo CSS, and two, redo HTML to match CSS? So CSS is this. Why does this look this way? Why does this look this way? Why does this look this way? So that's really what I'm instructing it to fix, because I don't really need to change anything theoretically other than just this piece, which something magical should happen. Okay, it tried to fix it. If you keep saving on the same page, you'll end up, not doing much. So let's go attempt to put an image here. Now we went ahead. For now, we're limited to just having these 3 images, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to go off, continue. And as you do this more and more and more, it just becomes very beneficial when this figures it all out. So wherever we want to apply a new style, simply, it's not the actual rule, it's just what I find easiest for me. Okay, so see, I tried to redo this a bit. It only put 3. So now, what we can actually do a little bit more is really take a screenshot of this here, right? And I'm going to ask it, you redo the size of these 2 columns, 2/3, but it did it in here. So if you think about this, this is progress, not perfection. What is the point of all this? We'll say by doing what I did, you have the ability to build something like this. I don't think we can change this right now. I don't think we're going to have that ability, but you don't need to. Like, this is more than enough to do everything you need to. So with that, are there any questions? This video is going to go on YouTube, so I'll answer any questions and see if I can explain anything.
No questions, really.
Chris, Malik, not Malik, Khalik.
No, I think you explained it pretty well.
Yeah, so again, I mean, you didn't come into this for this reason, Khalik, but yeah, you're able to connect your merchant, your billing. You're able to literally set up your own business however you want and connect your payment. And we don't charge anything to do it up front. When you get sales, we just invoice you weekly because you're going to have clients on your system paying you. So it's not like we're billing you money. We're not taking money to make you make money. We're only taking money from you once you've made money. And there's always a way to not pay that fee because there's different ways to upgrade and actually pay us to not do the fee structure, like a monthly cost. But yeah, Chris and Roger, I mean, Chris has already been talking with you. So Chris is going to be taking a big lead on this over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be training him to basically run the onboarding and the training and making sure all these different people are making money. So we're going to have a really good infrastructure real shortly.
I don't have any questions. I'll watch once it's uploaded to YouTube. I had a call I had to be on, so we'll touch base on that.
All right, no worries. Any questions, Khalik, on your side?
No, sir.
All right, excellent. I'm going to hop off. Roger and Chris, I'll reach back out to you in a little bit. Just need to take a few minute break. And yeah, I appreciate everyone's time.
No problem. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.